is my dad. My dad likes to reading books. She is my mom. My mom likes to traveling. He is my older brother. My brother likes to painting. This is me. My hobby is playing football. That's all my family tree. Thank you.
Thank you.